Okay guys, in this video I will talk about liquidations, right? Where to see your liquidation price. So you will come here to your wallet, you will click to margin account and you will see this page right here. Then here are the funds basically, but you have to click positions, right? You have to click positions. Now you have BTC and USDT. You are going to go to the USDT, and for example, for my position that I am in right now, you see my liquidation price is basically, this is showing me at what price the Bitcoin has to reach for my account to be liquidated, right? But let me tell you something: if you have a strict risk management, you don't have to worry for that at all, because you will be stopped out from your position long before there is even a chance to get liquidated, right? But still, this is a video about margin trading, so of course I have to show you where to track this, right? But don't worry if you I mean, don't be afraid. If you have a strict risk management, you won't get liquidated, because these positions that I am in currently, right, it has a stop loss. The stop loss is already at break even. I cannot even lose money right now on this position because it's already in a nice profit. So even if it dumps for some reason, um, I will not lose, right? But even if it did not play out, even if it went against me and I lost, there is still no way to get liquidated because I have a stop loss, right? Proper risk management that is going to start me out of this position before I lose, let's say 1%, right, from the account. So, but still, I wanted to show you. So basically, here again in the um, wallet margin account, then by default it will bring you to the funds, but you will click positions, and here in the USDT benchmark you will see basically you will see the position that you are in currently, what's the price that it has to be reached, and here is the percentage, right? The percentage. So for example, if the Bitcoin goes down from here 53%, I'm going to be liquidated. But my stop loss is less, I mean, it's a percent and something below the current price, right? So it can not go to that level before I get stopped out, right? So this is why risk management is so important, because again, this is crucial, guys. You have to have risk management. These people who don't have risk management, only them are the one who are getting liquidated. If you have risk management, you will not get liquidated. Right here you can see your margin level, and this is showing you when you are in a high risk as well, but you are not going to reach this point because you will be stopped out much before that. Because trust me, if you don't have risk management and you reach this level, when you will start sweating, and then you can lose all your money just like that. It's like I told you. So risk management, always protect your money, always at first place.